Doesn't come off. Doesn't come off. Hey guys! Annyeong magandang araw. It's Jem here and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be talking about Oomynails, and they actually have reached out to me, so I received my package. And if you guys don't know, I really have short nails. As you can see. Yeah, I used to bite them and now I don't, but like I play with it. So yeah, I needed this and I'm very thankful to Oomynails for reaching out to me, and they sent me 5 of their products, which I'm gonna be showing you. I'm gonna be trying on one to show you how durable it is and how it's not easily removed even if you like try to knock it out. And yeah, if you guys want to know more about this brand, just keep on watching. So they sent me 4 press-on nails. They have different shapes. Also, some of it are some. So this one is the first one, and this is in the shape square along with this one, so they're the same. They're both square. And then this one is more of a rounded one. And I'm very happy because my nails look so ugly whenever I do videos. And this is like the last press on nails. And this is the design of the stick-on ones. Let's do a review. Now let's get into it. I'm gonna try this one first. And what's actually good about this is it comes in 24 pieces. And it has a mini nail file, prep pad, manicure stick. And for the stick ones, it has 20 nail wraps and then a nail file, a prep pad, and a manicure stick. So actually, most of the ones that I have tried before, they're not durable. They don't last long. They don't come with prep pads or nail files that I need to buy it myself, but I currently don't have one, so I'm very happy that it comes with one. So yeah. By the way, the glue, the kind of glue, is like a sticker that you peel off and then stick on your nail first, and then that's when you stick this. And what I like about it is it has a lot of choices. So, I mean like in sizes, because some of it don't just like match with my nails. Price it for about 5 to 10 seconds, and do not wash your hands for about 2 hours after to ensure that it's gonna really stay. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so sophisticated, and you can use this in any occasion. Like this one, you can use it for a party. The red one, or this one is like a girls' night kind of nails, and then this one is more of like Christmas season, and this one is like more of a casual one. This is actually my favorite because I love daisies. But yeah, what's good about this is they have extra nails, so it's not just like a one-time use. And yeah, to try on like how good this is, comparing with my old fake nails that I try to use, whenever I scratch my hair or like my head, it just like comes off and that easily because it's not like a good one, and I usually just buy the cheap ones. But this one, like, see, no matter how hard I scratch it, it's still in my fingers. Or like let's try to, I don't know, I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Like, here is my cabinet. Like can you see that? I try to like really bend the nails, but it's still working. And like, you know, scratch it, Try to do that. Nope, doesn't come off. Doesn't come off. And it says here, wait, I'm gonna set you up guys here again. And it says that for you to remove it, you need to soak your hands in warm water or apply polish remover around edges and use the mini stick to gently lift off the nails. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in into this review for Oomynails. Make sure to check them out. I will link down below the products and the details, so make sure to click the description box. And yeah, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow them on their Instagram page. I will be putting it here and their website as well. And don't forget to comment more suggestions that you want to see in this channel. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. God bless. Annyeong. 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 Annyeong.